my friend just came pick me up now. We're gonna head down to Orlando. She's in the car right now.
Please proceed to the
not payment, no mind. Anyways, yeah, it's gonna take us about 4 hours 30 minutes. So I catch y'all down there. Damn, this lighting look good. And the tree behind me, I'm just wearing this sweatsuit thing. Bye. Workout. Guys, this is the bathroom area. It's such a beautiful bathroom. Yeah, I'll be filming. Hold on, what thing is it? I'm gonna get Burger King. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna get something. I should have McDonald's.
I was gonna get something to eat later on.
Okay. Let me see. Probably get something cool. You know, I'm gonna get a mix. I'm gonna get something to drink over here. I mean, you already paid for that? Guys, it's such a nice gas station. What's it called? The Bees? Busy Bee. That shit is really busy. And I got this frappe from Burger King. Shit was $1.49. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
Erika. What you gotta tell them? She don't wanna be on my camera. So I get that shit on my face. Alright, this stuff back here.
In there, see if
right. Thank you. That's building. So dark. Oh shit. Imagine falling. Oh, let me see this thing right here. Oh, this is nice. View from the Alright guys, when you first come in, the bathroom is right here. Nothing special. Got it right there. Cutesy, and then you have a little toilet and shower. Nothing major. Simple. And you got a safe. You want to hang up your clothes. Let's get moving. Look at there. Nice little TV. That's it, guys. The view makes the place. Oh man, thank God for the view. Guys, so this is the 8th floor view of the little pond thing they got down there. It's nice. Beautiful. Just the pond. The room itself is alright. Not too close, I don't want to look back. You see everything?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Alright, take your picture now. You can end that. Recording. Stop it.
Route recalculating.
Orlando.
In 0.3 miles, keep left.
Oh, this thing is shaking.
In a quarter mile, keep left.
Which is nice. Alright guys, so we're at the park. It's $26 for look at them in the background. $26 for parking. That's crazy. And that's just regular parking. $10 more for VIP. Crazy. And she wanted to pay it. Oh, so what's the matter? Damn, sorry. Burger King. Burger King. Shrimp po' boy. Oh, I was just wondering. I was like, what happened to my thing?
I'm coming. So you got your ketchup, your mayo.
Oh, man. Alright, let's go. I brought my selfie stick, but I don't think I'm using it. Ooh, we're gonna take a picture right there. I know you want a picture right there?
Of a university?
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah, you know. Alright guys, we're gonna try and go over there and take some pictures. There's a big old Universal. Oh, they just cut that off. Where's scary stuff at? Entertaining? She totally just stopped. Nobody wants to entertain us. So we're walking to Graveyard Games. Yep. So long as, well, it's not that busy. Come on a Wednesday. Come during the week. Not on the weekend. Not Friday or Saturday. Okay. So we just came out. Now we're heading to the What's it just called? Us. Whatever it's called. Honestly, it wasn't scary at all. Like, I wasn't impressed at all. It takes a lot to scare me. Oh man. Good job. It's only scare kids. If you're grown, you'll be alright. Oh, so where is that? Oh man. It's about 10:30 at night. It closes at 3 a.m. But somebody tired.
In a quarter
So
mile, keep left onto Universal
oh man, I'll
Boulevard.
talk to y'all more when I get home. I got me some voodoo donut to go. So yeah, catch y'all when we reach back out. Alright guys, we just came back to the hotel. And I had a decent time. Pretty sure she had a decent time too. But what I can say for the rides is they're not scary. Well, not the rides. What do you call them? The haunted houses. They're not scary at all. Well, not to me. Not to her either. Like, it was, if you're a child, maybe. But look at the view. Beautiful at night. Would I recommend it? Yeah, just for the hell of it. Just to say you went. But would I go again? Probably in the next couple of years. Maybe. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more awesomeness. Bye, good night. Alright guys, so this is cool. Y'all already know I'm gonna be right here, right by the kitty section. Hell yeah. Can't swim. Oh, this is beautiful. Alright guys, so we just came from breakfast and we just went to the pool just to look at it for a little bit. Now we're heading to one of the biggest malls in Florida. So yeah, that's my little fit. Maybe I'll turn it around so y'all can see. Alright, just this black two-piece from Fashion Nova. My little go-to bag. Don't mind the background. And I'm just wearing some regular degular khaki. Alright guys, I'll catch y'all at the mall. Bye. Alright guys, we just pulled up at the mall. Looks good so far. Never heard of American Girl before. Oh man. By the entrance leading up to the mall. Really nice. Wow. Why they always playing music? Even though I'm not even monetized. So this is it. Guys, so excited to come to the park. Just take a stroll around. Just on the background you can tell this thing is going to be nice. So we're at Lake Eola Park, or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna just walk around, stretch my legs, exercise. Catch y'all later. I'm just drinking this what do you call this thing? The Skittles, sour Skittles from Taco Bell. Yeah. Look at these little things over here. They are so cute. Look at them. Let me zoom in. They are just the cutest. And this over here. Wow. Too nice. Beautiful park. Beautiful bird sculpture thing. So we just came from the park. Well, not just came from the park, but you know. Now we're headed over to the pool. That same pool that y'all saw earlier. Y'all already know I gotta have my little noodle to help me swim. Oh man, but yeah. Hopefully my hair don't get too wet. I'm gonna wrap this thing up in the back. But yep, Catch y'all when I get over there. Later.
Just see now if I don't die laughing first. When this storybook says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, cause I'm the boogeyman. And if you wanna shake him, there's something very wrong, cause this may be the last time you hear the boogie song.
Alright guys, so I'm back in Tallahassee. Ooh, I had a great time. Had a good time down there. We spent just a couple of days, just basically closing out the vlog. Guys, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification on so you get every time the girl uploads a new video. You don't know, every Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. See this? I'm using this Snapchat filter. So follow me on Snapchat, guys. So I'm gonna end this right here, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Okay, bye.